Hey guys, so OnePlus will be launching the OnePlus 80 flagship phone in India on October 14. On the next day, it will go officially in China. Rumors have claimed that the company will not be launching the OnePlus 80 Pro smartphone in this year. Today, OnePlus CEO Pete Lau took to Weibo to confirm that there will not be a Pro model in this year. The Weibo post further stated that those who like the Pro level products could purchase the OnePlus 80 Pro. He seems to be saying that since there is no room for an upgrade, the company decided on skipping the OnePlus 80 Pro model in this year. Pete Lau said apart from the OnePlus 80, the company also has a surprise worth waiting for. The following image that was released by the brand had carried some clue on the upcoming products that are likely to get announced at the OnePlus 80 launch event. OnePlus fans have speculated that the company could be testing products like USB-C to USB-C cable, OnePlus Blitz Wireless 3, OnePlus Buds Z, a laptop, and some sort of a gaming console. These are just assumptions, and since the launch is nearly 2 weeks away, it is advisable to wait for the further reports to know the identity of the teased product. Some specification of OnePlus 80 has a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with a punch-hole design that offers Full HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The Snapdragon 865 mobile platform fuels the device, and it has a 4500 mAh battery with warp charge 65 support. The device is equipped with a front-facing camera of 16 megapixel. The back side of the phone is fitted with a 48MP main shooter, 16MP ultra-wide, 5MP macro, and 2MP monochrome quad camera setup. The phone comes pre-installed with Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11. It is expected to arrive in aquamarine green and lunar silver colors. Its expected price is $799. OnePlus 80 haven't any IP rating, they haven't any wireless charging, but they have 65 watt wide charger. OnePlus said OnePlus 80 can charge 50% in 15 minutes, 70% in 20 minutes, 100% in just 39 minutes. So super fast charging that also inside your box. Finally, they say we have done significant improvement in the camera and its software. They are likely using IMX 689, same used in the 8 Pro as well. So that is good. So all these are rumored and claim. You can see some S20 FE reviewers are now saying the S20 FE got a poor vibration motor. The fingerprint scanner is not as fast as S20 or S20 Plus, so I would say wait a little more days for OnePlus 80. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and peace out.